Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play NBA Live Mobile. To begin, simply launch the application and select a game mode from the main menu, such as Season or Live Events. You will use the virtual joystick on the left side of your screen to control player movement. The game offers helpful tutorial prompts when you first start, guiding you through the basic actions. Get ready to hit the court and experience fast-paced basketball action right from the start. On offense, mastering your controls is key to scoring. Tap the shoot button when near the basket to attempt a shot. Timing is crucial for success. To pass the ball, swipe on the pass button in the direction of your desired teammate. You can also use the dribble button for crossovers and other special moves to evade defenders. Holding the joystick towards the basket will initiate a drive, helping you get closer for a layup or dunk. Defense is just as important as offense in NBA Live Mobile. When defending, tap the guard button to stick close to your opponent and contest their movements. To attempt a steal, swipe the steal button, but be careful not to foul. Near the basket, tap the block button to jump and contest an opponent's shot. After a missed shot, position your players strategically to grab the rebound and regain possession. NBA Live Mobile offers several exciting game modes, including Campaign for story-driven challenges and Arena for competitive matchups. As you play, you will earn valuable coins and experience points, which are essential for progression. Use these resources to acquire new player cards, strengthening your roster with elite athletes. Remember to upgrade your players' abilities to enhance their performance on the court and dominate your opponents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.